Hello everyone,
Welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play.
So in this video we're gonna talk about buoyancy
And
boats
by Lena, July 2023.
Yeah, so in this picture we see one has a boat here
And this is the Titanic that sank.
Yeah, so what making this boat float?
The bone.
Because of buoyant force.
Yeah, and also weight. Because I said this part.
Okay, so let's get started. What is actually buoyancy, Lena? What you know about buoyancy?
It's the upward force that a fluid such as water
exerts
on an object like this duck.
Yeah.
Is it going up or down? Up.
Yeah. So what is up? Like putting up force. What do you call that one? Pulling up.
Call that float.
Float.
Buoyant.
Float's a buoyant force.
Well, this is gravity.
Yeah.
This is buoyancy.
And then pulling
down. Buoyancy means up, right?
Yes.
And gravity means down.
Yeah. So down force is called gravity, and then pulling up force called buoyant force.
Yep.
So we see here a giant shape. So what is here? What makes that shape float?
Buoyancy.
Buoyancy, exactly. So water, since it has a wider.
And there's a picture that has narrow boat.
Yeah.
And a bit wide boat, and then a very wide boat, like that.
So the buoyancy force is a lot, so it makes it float. But I'm not sure what is happening here.
Oh, look, there's air in the air.
Air
in the sky.
How come plane is floating?
Because the air, you know how airplanes pretend these are my wings. So these are my wings.
Yeah.
And then I'm going forward, and the wind is going that way, and then it pushes me, and then the pilot turns it, and then the buoyant force goes up.
So what is buoyancy? Continues. So buoyancy force depends on the objects.
What is buoyancy?
Yeah, I said that, and then continues. We have more details. Let's see. So buoyancy force depends on the object's weight, volume, and density. So you know weight. What is weight? Weight means how heavy is it?
Yeah.
What is the volume?
The volume is volume.
How big is it? And density?
Density?
Yeah. What is density? How
thick and thin.
And thin is exactly.
Like this thick and this thin. As thin as paper. Oh, my hair.
Okay. So those all three factors decide if it's gonna float. It will affect the buoyancy force. Okay. So let's go to the next slide. So as we put a little bit hint on density, let's see what is density. So density used to describe the amount of stuff that is packed into a given volume.
Now it's time for an experiment.
So we have experiment. Yeah, what we gonna do, Lena?
What about we pour it in this cup?
Yeah, so let's bring this one over.
No, bring this. So we're going to pour this water into the cup. And this cup has this is all oil. So we're gonna add this in.
Just keep it here so they can see. No. Put the oil in the water.
But I think it's gonna spill.
No, that's okay.
Look.
Not too much.
Look, it went to the front.
What is happening here? Oh my goodness.
Now that is good.
What is happening? So water is down and the oil is up.
even though that you put the oil last.
So what is the connection between density here?
So basically, like, oh, there's a bubble down there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So water has more density.
Yeah, I think I might know why. Because oil has bubbles in it, and water doesn't. They have little bubbles, but not big bubbles.
Yeah. So the oil has less density, that's why it's floats, and the water has more density, that's why it's go down.
And now we're going to do like these two parts.
Yeah. So what
we're gonna do it in here, right?
Okay, let's go see the next slide. Okay, what does float mean? What is
float? Float. It's time for but float means it will go to the top.
Yeah.
So can you hear this?
Can you see from there? Okay.
So I'm gonna drop the ball in. What happened? It float. So float means it's like going to stay up. And this ball has air in it. So if anything has air in it, like this ball, this is a ball that is from a ball pit.
Yeah, okay. So
small
that's floating.
So then it will float.
Yeah, floating because of the buoyant force.
Yeah. We're gonna do the other objects, right?
Let's see if we have more experiments.
Well, we have more objects.
Yeah.
So keep on holding it up.
Yeah. So when something sits at or above the surface is called
float.
So that's what
so
you did
now
the experiment.
We're just going to put the other objects that float.
Yeah, so
we have a duck, we have a pencil that's small, and
so let's see what will sink and what will float.
This kind of goes under the water.
Let's see.
Well, look. Oh, it doesn't really go under the water.
It's actually float.
Make your hand move your hand. Can they see it? Yeah. So you see that it's kind of like not on top of the water, like the ball. Like the ball goes right on top of the water. But this pencil doesn't. Well, it still floats because it's still at the top. It's not at the bottom.
Okay, next.
The next one.
I think frog gonna sink.
Nope. It hovers.
Okay, it didn't sink. Okay,
No, it hovers. It hovers.
Next, what you have?
So let's take that out. There's the water in here.
That's okay. Next.
I feel water.
Your duck.
Now?
That's a duck or goose?
It's a duck.
Oh.
It looks like a hen.
Okay.
Because at the top.
Let's see if that will float or
Well, actually, it will sink too. Because there's little cracks in it, actually.
But right now it's floating.
Yeah, because if you keep it in the water, it will suck up the water into this. And then it will like start to sink like this.
Okay, can you show the objects what will sink inside?
No, there's another sign.
Okay.
That says sink.
Okay, what does the sink mean? So what is sink actually?
The sink? When something drops to the bottom, it's called sink. So this is oil, right?
Yeah.
And then there's like a little thing, like a little lock. It's hovering actually.
Yeah.
It should sink, but it's hovering.
Okay, so what experiment we're gonna do about the sink?
So now we're going to do the things that sink.
Yeah, so you can bring the objects and I'll bring the water again. Here. Okay. So let's see what objects Lena have.
So I have a ring. So
what do you think, Lena?
Wait, I'm gonna see the objects. I have a ring, and I have an eraser, and I have 2 coins, and I have these little beads too. So let's put in the ring first and see what happens. Oh, it sinks. What do you think this will happen? Oh, got some float.
No, but we are talking about sink, so maybe it will sink.
Yeah, because we didn't see the float. Oh, it sank.
And then I noticed it makes sound.
Yeah.
When you put it inside, it said
Whoa!
See, it makes sound, and the floating doesn't make sound.
No.
Yeah.
And then now let's try the 2 coins. The big one.
No,
Oh,
and
another
then
noise.
bubble. Wow.
I want to put it on the eraser.
How about the pearls?
The pearls. Let's try.
Beads.
Oh, that one sank. Is this pearl gonna sink? Well, that's actually a golden pearl.
Yeah.
And this is a real pearl.
Okay, try.
Oh, it float!
This one float. It was a nice surprise.
Oh, I
Good
thought
job,
it would
Lina.
sink because there's
So good job for showing us. How about the rock? The rock.
Oh, the rock.
Yeah, the rock gonna float or sink?
Let's just take these out.
Yeah, those are good items. It's going in the. Just leave it here. Just leave it there, Lina. No problem. Yeah.
Now let's try the rock.
Yeah, let me try.
It sank. Let's see what
sank.
noise it makes. Oh, that was
too loud. Might gonna
too
break
loud.
our jar. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Yeah. Next slide, please.
My hand is wet.
All right. So, what is waterproof materials? How do we know the materials are waterproof?
Okay, this is where the ball. This is where the ball comes handy. So, if we put the water in and this in actually, I know that it will float. But I never tried it, so I think it will float. So, it will like...
Let's see. Is the ball a waterproof?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show you that.
Yeah. Oh, the rock is another one. Look. It sank because it's heavy.
Yeah.
But it's waterproof.
So water not going inside.
Yeah. Like if you...
The waterproof.
Wait, if you got a little... Wait. So we have some paper.
Yeah.
And then if we put some water on it...
It's soaked.
Yeah, it's soaked. Oh, it came off even.
Okay.
But, like how we put in the ball, the ball, nothing's in it actually. Because then it will be soaked.
Okay.
And it will be melty.
Thank you, Lina. That's so wonderful. Yeah, waterproof materials repel the penetration of water or fluid. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So how can we make something sink to float? So let us say, Lina.
Yeah, so
have a
you
rock
know
here.
how this rock is here? And it sank? One time we tried this with Lego.
So you had also one boat, right? In the school you made.
Yeah. And also, so what happened, what we did was we attached the Lego to some...
Rock or?
No, to
Something that would sink, right?
No, to float.
Okay, so
Because Lego sinks.
it was sink, right? And then you
then
used to float?
Balloons.
Balloons.
Because
Okay.
look, this explains here.
Yeah.
So there's a rock and it sinks, right?
How do I make it
Look.
float?
So if we attach a string that will attach to balloons and a lot of balloons, guess what will happen? So that's the string. Balloons.
It will make it
starts
sink.
to float.
It will make it float.
Not sink.
Okay, my mistake. Okay, next slide.
Well, if
please.
you put a rock here, then and you put a ball here, like this ball, then it will sink.
Right. Okay, let's move to the next slide. It's a lots of experiment and lots of learning today. Yeah. Stone floats with the help of balloons, right? You can do that experiment at home. Try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now which boat is stable?
Yeah. So that was not supposed to be there.
Okay.
So remember, kind of at the beginning,
Mhm.
I said that there's narrow, a bit wide, and then super wide, like a cruise ship.
Yeah.
That's where this comes handy.
Yeah.
So
Narrow boat is not
Yeah.
so stable.
yeah,
Even the person is falling down.
it was like this. Pretend this is in the water, and it goes. Pretend this is a boat,
Mhm.
and it goes weep, 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 and then and this is narrow. Pretend it's narrow like this,
Yeah.
and then rip, 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 rip.
It's gonna float. I see.
Wait, what if we use this?
My phone.
So then pretend this is a narrow boat, and this is the opening, like where the people could sit, and then
Okay.
it sank.
That's good. So the second one is wide boat.
A bit.
A bit wide, but it's still
It's like
not
this,
stable.
but it goes like this, and then you might. There's a chance. But there's a
You have a
very
very
wide
wide
boat
boat.
like this.
Yeah, density, volume, and weight makes it float. Yeah. So that's the thing. That's how they made a boat.
Yeah.
And a cruise ship. Okay, can we see the next slide?
Please.
What is stable?
Oh,
Yeah.
2 penny, 1
1
penny,
and
10
10
penny.
So you can do that experiment at home. For
Yeah.
example, you can make a boat and try it.
Wait,
with
can
2
you
penny
carry
on
this
top.
again? Can you please carry that
Yeah.
again?
Mhm.
Pretend these two things, these 2 coins are pennies. They're not.
Yeah. If you make
And
a
then-
paper boat. Mhm.
Yeah. And then we pretend this is the paper boat. No, wait, it has to be
That's okay.
floating.
Yeah, that's what
No,
we can
but-
tell the audience to make that experiment.
Well, this
Yeah.
is just for example. Pretend. So I put this in, and it floats, right? Pretend the coins stay on. Then how many coins will stay?
So 2.
Right now we have 2.
Yeah, we don't know how long.
Yeah.
How many
Let's
points
see.
will make it.
Oh,
Yeah.
both of them just fell
Anyway,
off.
we can.
I
do
think that
experiment
made
later.
sink.
Yeah. So if
Meant.
you put 2 penny, it will still float.
Float. But
If
if
you put the 4 penny, might gonna float.
no, because we used a frog.
Yeah.
So-
But if you put the 10 pennies, flip over. The chances is gonna be same. Okay. Oh, that's all, Lina. So good job. Good job doing some experiment and showing us lots of learning about
But
it.
I actually want to show you something.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Have a good
I
day.
said I wanted to
You
show
can go
something.
go watch. I'm going. Bye.
Bye, but after this that I'm showing. So it is like a game.
Yeah.
So on the back, you see this bunny. Oh, it's right now upside down. Whatever. It's upside down.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Be quiet, please. And then there's a bunny. This part is attached to the bunny. Then you can move it by doing that. And then if you want to keep on going, you have to roll this. Oh wait, the opposite way.
Okay, bye. See you
Bye.
next time.